Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to add different cart columns to the sales screen. So what do we mean by that? So if I lock myself in and go to the actual sales mode. Okay, so I throw out some items in there. So it's these columns I'm talking about. So you might want to have some more information on here you want to be able to see on the fly. So I can show you how to add different columns to this section here. So, okay, so we go to exit sales and go to sales layout. Let's open that up. So what we can do, we actually select the physical cart. So we select on the cart. And now what we want to do, we want to go to current page and go to special tools and then edit cart columns for this page. So open that up. What this will do, it'll wipe the defaults completely. So you need to put them all back in. So what we need to do, we need to go to click on add. So we'll go for quantity, throw that one in, and we'll obviously give that a small name. Obviously the smaller the better for your column name. So we'll accept that in there. Put 80 in there. Now there's a few little added features here, so we've got fit or fill. So this particular one, what we want to do, we wanted to actually just fit it. So then obviously we're only working on a limited space here. So next thing we'll do, we'll put the item name, throw that on there, press accept on there. Now for this particular one, what we'll do, we'll fill this one, so it's always it's always the highest capacity it can be on that. So we'll go for fill for that one. We can add in. So what I actually want to do, I'm going to add in the ex-VAT and including VAT columns. So these are something you might be interested in seeing. So we'll throw them in there. We'll make that fit, and we'll also do. As you can see, there's loads you can actually put in here, but these are the two that I want to add in so far. So throw that one in there as well. Okay, and then obviously don't forget you need to put the button back in as well. You know, the little question mark. So what we need to do for that, we need to click on here, and we've got the button here. That's just what it's called. So we'll click on that. We don't need to give that a name, so we'll just get rid of that. We'll accept that. Generally speaking, I normally give this a 40, just so it's a good size finger width to press. So we'll accept on that one there, and so there you have it. So I've now mapped out some of my columns in my cart. So if I close this now, I close this, and if I reopen my sales mode, boom, there we go. So we've got some added columns in here now. So we've got the ex-VAT and including VAT all included into one area. As you can see what I mean by the 40. That's probably the best size for a finger press. Obviously you can make it smaller, but I wouldn't suggest to. Don't forget you are obviously limited to the size in here, so obviously just be careful how much you do put in there. At later videos we'll show you the actual extend cart feature as well, so you can actually extend this cart out and have completely different columns to what the standard cart looks like. So if you're like in a wholesaler and you want more information, like the actual business cost or the supplier code, anything like that, you can have all that information on the fly sitting in your cart in your sales screen. But you need to check us out for next time for that next video. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope that's been useful. I'll see you next time. Take care.